The Samsung Galaxy S26 series is set to arrive next month, and along with that, we have a new exclusive to share. This time, we're bringing you official Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra renders along with its key specifications. The device is shown here in two finishes, Cobalt Violet and Black. The phone's overall design isn't unexpected at this stage, since CAD-based visuals were previously shared. Still, these images give a clearer look at the final model and show the device from different angles. The S Pen is clearly visible in these shots as well. The Galaxy S26 Ultra features a flat display with a centered camera cutout at the top. The bezels around the screen are thin and evenly sized. The power and volume buttons are placed on the right side, and they are the only physical controls on the handset. On the back, there's a triple camera setup in the upper left area. The three lenses are aligned vertically and sit on a raised camera island, with an LED flash positioned next to them. The camera module stands out from the back, and the lenses add extra depth. This means the phone will likely wobble when placed on a flat surface, although using a protective case can help reduce this effect. The edges of the device are rounded, while the frame remains flat all the way around. These aren't the only colors that will be available, but they're the only ones currently shown in images. Based on earlier leaks, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to launch in black, white, silver shadow, sky blue, cobalt violet, and pink gold. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. Hold up, Samsung might actually be cutting prices this year. And the leaks don't stop there. Samsung's Galaxy S26 series is expected to arrive in late February, and a fresh wave of leaks has now revealed European pricing details along with a first look at Galaxy S26 Ultra cases in multiple colors. Galaxy S26 series prices for Europe. Trusted leaker Roland Quandt shared new pricing information for the Galaxy S26 lineup on Bluesky. According to the leak, Samsung may be holding prices steady in Europe despite rising DRAM and NAND memory costs. Both the Galaxy S26 and Galaxy S26 Plus are expected to launch at the same prices as their predecessors. Interestingly, the Galaxy S26 Ultra could actually be cheaper than last year in certain configurations. The expected European pricing puts the Galaxy S26 at €899, while the Galaxy S26 Plus is listed at €1,169. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to start at €1,469 for the 256 gigs variant, rise to €1,569 for the 512 gigs variant, and go up to €1,829 for the 1TB model. These figures are based on early retail data and could still change before launch. Galaxy S26 Ultra case leak. Samsung tipster Alpha Turk has also shared an image showing what appear to be official Kinsuit cases for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. The leaked image reveals 6 bold color options: orange, rust, black, blue, olive, and white. The cases closely match the phone's rumored design language. The back features a prominent camera bump with 3 additional cutouts beside it for the telephoto camera and LED flash. If these leaks turn out to be accurate, Samsung might be delivering both better value and fresher style with the Galaxy S26 Ultra. What do you think about the pricing and the case colors? Drop your thoughts in the comments.